I do not and will never understand this rule. The PBA just gave a 3-year ban to players that will be playing overseas. I don't know how to feel about this rule. All I can say is that it's absurd. Why are Filipinos being banned from playing in the Philippine Basketball Association? Like, from the player's perspective, you're gonna have to understand na sure, they get paid to play and all of that stuff. But at the end of it all, it's not just about basketball. Syempre may binubuhay din mga pamilya yung mga yan. And if there are better opportunities outside, bakit hindi nila kunin yun? For example, for other players such as Will Navarro, tapos naman na yung season together with Magnolia. Unless meron siyang contract doon na na-breach yung contract, eh, dun talaga sila magkakaproblema. Pero kung wala naman at bibigyan mo ng ban, bakit? For example, sa sarili mong profession, nagtatrabaho ka. Tapos biglang may nag-offer overseas na solid talaga yung opportunity na siguro doble, triple nung sahod mo. Maganda yung benefits and all of that stuff. Hindi mo ba tatanggapin? Di ba ganun lang siya kasimple? Kasi trabaho pa rin naman yan at the end of the day. Give them better compensation so that they don't need to leave. Kahit sa ang trabaho, ganyan na ganyan yan. Pero dito ka lang makakita na kapag lumipat ka ng trabaho, pag bumalik ka, hindi ka pwede. Those sentences don't make sense. Just imagine, the best player of the conference for season 49, si Arvin Tolentino, hindi pwedeng maglaro. Best player of the conference last year. Let that sink in.